Good evening and welcome to Sailing in Time by Reading in D29. This is the time where we bring bedtime stories to your home. We hope you loved our authentic jingle with the music and beat created and produced by PS95's Debbie Jean and her brother Jason Jean, written by our very own Keturah Hardy, Family Support Coordinator, and PS95 students who sang the song with great harmonies and were featured in the video. Big shout out to the team at PS95, Principal Kim Hill, Miss Williams, Miss Fennell, and Miss Torres for arranging the music with our students. We are so talented in D29. My name is Emmanuel Lubin, the Field Support Liaison in District 29, the district that shines, and I will be your Sailing in Time host this Sunday. This is a time where D29 joins you and your families as we bring literacy to our scholars and to your homes. We bring guest readers to you every Sunday at 7 p.m., except holidays. It is our way to use technology, involve families, and build excitement around reading. Scholars, please complete the poll that has shown up on your screen and share your name and school so that we know which D29 school has the highest showing for Sailing Sundays. Now, every week when we have Sailing in Time, we have a mystery word. Scholars, today the mystery word is achieve. Achieve, which means to reach a goal or fulfill a desire. Our mystery word is achieve, to reach a goal or fulfill a desire. Make sure you share the mystery word with your ELA teacher, noting that you joined Sailing in Time in D29 to get the mystery word. Today, D29, I am super excited to announce our reader this evening. We have a very special guest reader. Our guest reader tonight is Dr. Sean Rux. Dr. Sean Rux is an educational practitioner with over 20 plus years of service. He has served as a teacher, assistant principal, deputy superintendent, and currently serves as the CEO of Ruxway Incorporated, where he continues to provide leadership support across the city and beyond. Dr. Sean Rux has also added author to his resume with his best-selling children's book titled, I Want to Be. Dr. Rux believes in the power of education and continues to work diligently to ensure that all students receive the quality education they rightly deserve. Dr. Rux's motto is, education saves lives. Please let us welcome Dr. Sean Rux, our reader for tonight.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. It's a pleasure to be here. Definitely feels like a homecoming. And I'm around some family. I consider you family at this time. We've done a lot of wonderful things together, and I'm honored to share my book, I Want to Be, with you this evening. And just briefly, what inspired me to write this book is just a simple fact that social media, TV, they put these expectations on us. And throughout our lives, there are always people who tell us what we can be and what we can't be. And you're going to be this, you can do that, you can't do this, you can't do that. And this was really just a way to motivate young children to realize that you can really be whatever it is that you want to be. No matter what it is that you want to be, you can absolutely be that. Of course, it takes hard work. And also, it's just never too young. You're never too young to really start thinking about what it is that you want to be when you get a little older. So to young kids out there, this book is for you. It's one of those books that it's close to my heart because I remember experiencing times throughout my life where people told me I couldn't be something or I couldn't do something. And as early on in your lives as possible, you can start to think about what it is that you want to be and then focus on achieving whatever it is that you want to be. It takes hard work, like I said before, but you can be whatever it is that you want to be. So I hope you enjoy. Once again, I Want to Be. And this book is dedicated to all the amazing educators out there who make children they serve feel like they are the one and only. Good morning, class. Good morning, Mr. Pigeon. Tomorrow is a very special day. Each of you are to go home and think about what career you want to have when you get older. Come to school tomorrow dressed how you would if you were in that career. Everyone will have a chance to share with the class. Wow, class, you all look amazing. I'm so excited to hear from each of you. Let's begin with you, Michael. What do you want to be when you get older? I want to be a doctor. As a doctor, I can make people feel better when they are sick. I want to be a pilot. As a pilot, I can fly people all around the world. I want to be a mobile app developer. As a mobile app developer, I can provide people with faster service for the things they want and need. I want to be a judge. As a judge, I can uphold all citizens to obey the law. I want to be a police officer. As a police officer, I can keep my community safe. I want to be a scientist. As a scientist, I can find the cure for cancer. I want to be an astronaut. As an astronaut, I can see the entire world and discover new planets. I want to be an actor. As an actor, I can be the star of the show. I want to be a firefighter. As a firefighter, I can put out fires and keep families safe. I want to be a chef. As a chef, I can cook all kinds of amazing foods. I want to be a video game creator. As a video game creator, I can create fun games for people of all ages. I want to be a politician. As a politician, I can be the president of the United States. I want to be a hairstylist. As a hairstylist, I can make everyone look their best. I want to be a teacher. As a teacher, I can help children to be really smart. What do you want to be? And always remember, if you can see it, then you can achieve it. Education saves lives. And these are just different activities that you can actually also engage in to take the thinking a little further. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Rux, for spending the time with our families and scholars and for reading to our District 29 community. We know you have a busy schedule, and we want to thank you for sharing your time with us. Now, scholars, please remember to complete the poll and let us know your name and school. And make sure you tell your ELA teacher the mystery word for tonight. It is achieve, which means to reach a goal or to fulfill a desire. Thank you, scholars, families, and community members for joining tonight and for sailing in time with D29, the district that continues to shine. Have a good night, D29. Take care and be well.